Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on an '08 Dodge Grand Caravan. Customer was home this weekend and he was trying to check his own transmission fluid and couldn't find the dipstick. So he was on his way to the dealer, and when he stopped by here first, and I told the guy, I said, hold on a second, let me show you how to save some money. Because on this channel, remember, we're here to save money, not waste money. I showed him the part to use, told him where to get it at. He went home, and for like $13, he did it himself. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself at home. Let's get into the video. With the vehicle off, you're gonna locate the dipstick tube. That's right here. You're gonna make sure the plug comes out freely. All right, guys, to remove this cap, you're gonna twist and pull up. To install it, you're gonna twist and push down. It's easier to do that with the engine cold. Then you'll stick it back in just a little bit. Go ahead and start the vehicle, let it run, and get up to operating temperature. Let the fan cycle at least one time. That way you know the vehicle is definitely hot enough. Once you've done that, I'll show you a tool that you need to get. It's an inexpensive tool. If you got one of these vehicles, it's something you should have anyway. Here's what it looks like. All right, guys, here's what the tool looks like. It looks just like a transmission dipstick, except it's bendable. And right down inside here are numbers. They start at 10 and go all the way up to 120. And they're in 10mm increments. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find your transmission. This one here, we're working on a Town and Country. 6.2 Thomas Edward. And we're gonna use chart C. Come over here to your chart section, find the letter C. Here's C, it's the top chart. We know that the operating temperature is gonna be somewhere about 180. So follow that up to roughly the middle. So we want the 40mm mark. So locate the 40mm mark on the dipstick, it's right here. And with the vehicle running, you check it like you would if you're using a normal dipstick. Go ahead and remove the cap. You're gonna put the tool in just till it hits the pan. As soon as it hits the pan, pull it back up and look at your mark. This mark is sitting just a little over 40. I always do it twice just to confirm. We're sitting just at 40, so we're okay. I'll put links in the description below where you can get this tool at a decent price. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Catch you later.